Hello there. Welcome back to grade 10 accounting. This video we want to look at a question on manufacturing. So the question that we have here is 3.1 on that question paper, and it's got 20 marks and requires you to spend on average 16 minutes. So the question reads, choose the correct words or words from column B to match the description in column A, write only the letter A to D next to the number that is 3.1.1 up to 3.1.4 in the answer box. So this section has got 4 marks, and we are given 3.11. Column A says costs that have to be paid no matter how many goods are produced. We know that these are the costs that do not vary in the level of output. In other words, we are going to pay the same amount of fixed costs no matter how many units are we going to produce. So let's try to. We are having fixed cost on C, so it means 3.1.1, it's being represented by C. Then we go to the next one, all the costs that are not directly involved in the production of goods. We know that these are manufacturing overhead that those represent the indirect costs. So we've got D as our response for 3.1.2. Then we go to 3.1.3, the cost of the direct material and the cost of the direct labor. If you add direct material plus direct labor, you're going to get your prime cost. So we've got prime cost there, which is going to be is our P. Then we go to the next one, whereby we are saying the cost of labor involved in the manufacturing of goods. Obviously, this is going to be your labor cost. So you've got A. So these are the responses that we have on the first part of the 3.1. We go to 3.2, is saying manufacturing calculations. Arman Bodania owns a small manufacturing enterprise called Bohemia's Custom Made Furnitures. In January 2018, the headmistress of Hillview Primary School, Miss Jafta, requested Arman to make 40 special tables for the new art center in the school. The road required part used the information provided below to complete the following calculations. First one is calculate the direct material cost. So we go to the question to see the information that we have. And we are told that the material costs to manufacture the tables is that these are the material costs that we have. So obviously, now we are going to add all of this that we have here so that we get the total material cost. Obviously, we are going to say this is going to be on 3.2.1. So we are going to say our 16,000 rands. And then we add our 5,500. And then we add your 1,100. Then we add your 300, that is here. And then you add your 500. Then you add your 600. So if you add like that, you'll see that the answer that you're going to get there is going to be 24,000. So representing your total there for material costs. Then you go to the next question, which is calculate the direct labor cost. So direct labor cost, let's try to see. We are being told that it's information D, 250 rands is paid to the casual employee for each table produced. So 40 tables were produced. So obviously, we are going to say 40 times 250, and then we get the total for direct labor cost. So that's how we are going to calculate our direct labor cost. So this is now 3.2.2. So we are saying 3.2.2. And then on the calculations, we are going to say our 250, and then we multiply by 40 tables. Obviously, we get the total amount that is supposed to be there, which is going to be 10,000. So this is what we have in terms of our direct labor costs. Then we go to the next one. We can try to see. Go to the next one. Now we are going to the next question to try to see what we have in terms of the next question. So on the next question is saying our prime cost, and obviously our prime cost, we're going to add the figure for direct material cost plus the direct labor cost to get your prime cost. So we are saying 3.2.3. So we have got 3.2.3, whereby say prime costs are is equal to direct material plus a direct labor. So for direct material, we got 24,000. And then direct labor, the answer that we got was 10,000. Get a total of prime cost of 34,000. So this represents your prime cost. So this is what we have in 3.2.3. Then you go to the next question, 3.2.4, calculate the total cost of production. So total cost of production, we are going to say the prime cost that the figure for prime cost, and then we add other costs that we're having in the question. So basically, for prime costs, that is now our total cost 3.2.4. So we are saying 3.2.4. So we are saying the prime cost already we have got 34,000. Already we have got 34,000. And then we are going to check out our other costs that are not part of prime cost that we have in the question. I will go there. Then we are told that our man works from a small factory in Actonville in phase rent of 11,000. So we've got 11,000 again there. We've got water and electricity again, 1,800 there. And then these are the two that we just need to add on. This is 11,000 plus 1,800. So we go there. Go to add your 11,000 plus 1,800. And then we calculate that we're going to get 46,800. 46,800 becomes the total for production cost. Then the last part of the question is to 3.2.5 to calculate the unit cost of one table. But we know that the number of tables that were produced, we can just repair back. We have 40 tables being produced. So obviously we're seeing total cost of production divided by 40 tables, of which we are having the total cost here in the previous calculation, whereby we got 46,800. So we are just saying 3.2.5. 3.2.5, we are just saying 46,800 divided by 40 tables. And then the answer that you are supposed to get there is going to be 1,140. 1,140. 1,140. It's a table. The table represents the figure that we are looking for. So basically that's what we have in terms of the last part of the question. Remember, we are having our calculation on the last part. We are just going to express it in terms of the table. So you can just say, okay, the table. So this is the final calculation that we have. So this is what you guys are putting in this video. Don't forget to subscribe, please subscribe and share. Let's meet again in the next video. As for this video, I'm out.